Piute County Commissioner Darin Bushman later deleting his tweet, but by then it was out there. It had gone viral, and it was too late. Bushman's tweet says in part, quote, "Hang on, friends. It won't be long before you are required to do the Sieg Heil salute to Herbert." Bushman then ending his tweet with, "Heil Herbert, hashtag Utah, hashtag Nazi, hashtag masks." Now, Utah's lone Jewish legislator, Patrice Darin, had a very quick response saying, quote, "It's totally inappropriate to compare Governor Herbert, who is following the advice of medical professionals to help save lives, to the horrendous actions of Hitler. Trivializing the Holocaust is deeply offensive and belittles the memory of millions of Jews and others who were murdered." This morning, Fox 13 speaking with Rabbi Samuel Spector, who echoed Patrice Darin's sentiments and says he invites Commissioner Bushman to sit down for an in-depth discussion about the Holocaust and why tweets like the one he put out are deeply hurtful to so many.
I think that these acts of ignorance are important for us to talk about so that we can really try and educate both our children, but now also it appears our adults and our leadership as well about this so that we can make appropriate comparisons and learn from history.
This morning, a spokesperson for Governor Gary Herbert releasing a statement which says in part, quote, "We recognize that there are strong disagreements about policy, but we expect civility in our public discourse. Drawing comparisons between a widely accepted public health practice during a pandemic and Hitler's brutal totalitarianism is beyond the pale. It can only have the effect of polarizing an important and substantive policy debate, and, as has been recognized by leaders in Utah's Jewish community, it grossly trivializes the experience of the Holocaust." So that's where we are, less than 24 hours after Governor Herbert issued his directive for people when they're out in public to wear masks in Salt Lake and Summit counties to try and stop the ever-increasing numbers of COVID-19 cases here in the state of Utah. In Salt Lake City, Scott McCain, Fox 13 News, Utah.